Hello viewers, you're welcome. So we have this logarithmic expression. So now we want to know how what would this be in its simplest form. So now let's see what we are going to do. So now we can see, I want you to recall that we can have log, when you have log this a of a, this will give us 1 here, right? So we are going to be using this in particular throughout. So here we have 1 over log this x y z. This one that is plus here, 1 here, we're going to rewrite it as plus, and we write it in terms of logarithm, that is log with respect to base. You have x here. You can see that will actually give us 1. Okay, then we do the same thing here, 1 all over log, we have base y z x plus the same thing with the respect of the base, log base y of y, then plus here also we do the same thing. So we have what we have, log z x y plus log base z, because that will give us 1. So now we move on. So the next thing we're going to do from here is that you know that this is base x here, this is base x here, and this is addition law of logarithm. So therefore the argument will multiply the argument. So we're going to have 1 over log x base x, then this will be x y z, because x times y z will give us x y z, plus 1 over the same thing here, log base y x y z x y z, then plus 1 over here the same thing, log base z x y z. Are you getting it now? So the next thing we are going to do, so I want you to recall from change of base, when you have 1 over log of b, log of base a of b, that is going to be, taking the reciprocal, is going to be like log what? It's going to be log, the one that is base a will change to this, and that, because this reciprocal, so they are going to interchange, and we're going to have what? We're going to have b to be here. Are you getting it now? So that is the law here. So now once you have the law there, so now when you look at this now, so we are going to apply this law here. We have 1 over log x, x y z. So therefore we are going to interchange this. So using this fact here, we can see that this x y z will be like my b, and xl will be like my a. Are you getting it now? So now we're going to have this to be, we're going to write 1 over this in this form. It's going to be log, so I'm going to interchange it. So x y z will turn to base, and x will turn to argument. Same thing here, plus log x y z will turn to base, and we have what? We have y here, then plus log x y z we turn to base, then we have this to be z. Are you getting it now? So good, this is getting interesting. So now from here you can see we have log base xyz to be the base. So now we use the law of logarithm that say when you have log, okay, of a, let's say we have base a, then we now have b, then plus log, we have base a and we have c. You know that this is going to give us log base a, then b multiplied by c. So we are going to use it here. Since we are having the same basis, xyz all true, so this is going to be log base xyz, and we're going to multiply all of this together, x, y, z. That is the multiplication in between them. So, and don't forget that we have log base a of a. This will give us 1 when the base and the argument are the same. So now the base and the argument are the same here. So finally we have our solution to be 1. Okay, so therefore we have everything here, everything here to be what? To be 1. And that is the end of the class. I believe you are enjoying the class, so kindly share this to your colleagues. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, consider subscribing now. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.